To tabs.
On the weekend, Marcus came to our farm to explore and stay the night at our house. Dad bought the farm yesterday, so I haven't been on it. It's in Reparar, 25 minutes away from our house. Marcus came at 11 a.m. He put his bag away and we got in our overalls and we drove to Reparar. We arrived. Wow, says Marcus and I. Dad says, I'll go talk to the old farmer while you go and explore. Okay? Okay, I reply. Let's go, Marcus. Let's go look at the chickens. Marcus, follow me. There they are, Marcus. Cool, Marcus says. Uh-oh, here comes 5 angry roosters. Run! Ah! I think we lost them. Let's go to the horse. On the way, we see a ditch. Let's go check it out. Jackpot, I say. There's a quad in the ditch. We drove it out and ride it to the horse with Marcus on the back. The horse is a bit tired, so we got the bull, but the bull's angry and chases us. We roll the quad. The bull charges us. We roll the quad back over and full throttle, and we get away from the bull and drove back to Dad.